As the title says, TikTok profit from identity theft. And I'm not saying this lightly. Now, for some time, people have been messaging me that there are 2-3 accounts on TikTok that claim to be me, and they've got all my videos on there. At the beginning, I didn't really care. But then people said, and some of my friends said, what if they start to scam people in my name? I tried to report them, but you have to have an account on TikTok. And so many people, by the way, emailed me and said they reported it. Anyway, I went and set up an account. I linked it, and this is important, I linked it to all my social media accounts, to my YouTube, to my Instagram, to my website, to my email address, so they know that this is the real RJ. And I uploaded one video and I reported the account. Came up and said, thank you for your report, it will take 48 hours to look into this. I said, fine, brilliant, justice will be served. 48 hours went by, I haven't heard anything, and then I got busy. A week later, I went and logged into my TikTok account, and then they said, this TikTok account has been suspended and deleted for violating our terms of service, or something to that effect. I said, what? My TikTok account, the real RJ, was deleted just because I reported the other accounts? And it's not only me, guys. Mrs. RJ follows a lot of people on Instagram and on YouTube. She says a lot of them are reporting the same. People are stealing their identities, putting it on TikTok, trying to report it, and nothing. Why? Because that guy has got, what, 1 million followers now in my name on TikTok? How much money is he earning for TikTok? While they say, well, he didn't take us seriously at the beginning. I don't give a shit about TikTok. I don't want to be on there. It's just, and this is a challenge to TikTok. If you see this video, prove me wrong. Remove these accounts and prove me wrong, and I will bow my head and say I was wrong. But you guys profit from these fake, they are stolen identities, and people say, what's the problem with people stealing videos? I don't have a problem. I can show you now on screen how many people on YouTube I can report and don't report, but that doesn't give you a green light to steal my videos. If you are a large channel, I will instantly report a stolen video, and I had it so many times, and people begged me, please retract, please do, we did it by mistake. There's no mistake. You steal a video, it's stolen. There is no mistake about it, but many of these smaller accounts, I don't really care. If they want to get 2, 3, 1,000 subscribers out of it, that's fine, let them do it. But that doesn't give you a green light. I could actually go report a video for a user who's got 5 subscribers. It depends on my mood. But and it's not, people say it's not a crime. Well, I take it as somebody coming into my house and stealing from my house. This is my effort. This is my video. It's not yours. You can't steal them, and let alone take my whole identity and claim to be me. It's wrong. I'll put on screen now those TikTok accounts, and I will link them in the description of this. And anybody working with TikTok watching this video, don't try to threaten me, mate. Because you are wrong. You are allowing people to steal other people's identities and not caring about the reporting. Sorry guys, it's heated, but I've reached a point where I've got to do this video just to say that I don't have a TikTok account. Whatever happens on that account in my name, it is not me, and I'm not responsible for it. Have a good day with this beautiful view.